Hi, this is Linda Morris, and I want to talk to you about what is in the Nikken Energy Package. They have put together all these amazing products that you can use at home or on the go because, life continues to happen. We hurt ourselves, we strain something, or sometimes we just need more energy. So the first thing that Nikken came out with in 1975 is the magnetic insoles, but they've been upgraded throughout the years. So when you look at these, you can see the little energy buttons. And as you walk, you're getting even more energy. So it's the energy of the earth, which is magnetism, the energy of the sun, and also the energy you might get from walking in a forest. And just walking on these gives you the energy that you would be getting if you're walking outside barefoot in nature on the grass. So if you think about it, the nerve endings in your feet are tied to every other part of your body. So this is a daytime energy product, and you get both the large and the small size. And you can actually trim them with a pair of scissors to fit whatever size shoe you need it for. So that's number one in energy. But with the same energy buttons, we also have the MagFlex. And I call this it's actually the back flex is what I call it, because you can actually just slip it in your pants or over your hip, or, maybe you have a cough and you just need to have it here. And you can just place it, and it's so thin that you virtually forget that it's there, but it just helps to soothe the body with whatever is going on. And you can wear it 24 hours a day. Now, in addition, Nikken has the power chip magnet. So you see those little circles on there? So this is actually magnets that are shoved together, and they create these flux lines. So it's not a surface magnet. It's actually going all the way through your body. So it's not just on the surface. And it's just amazing. So wherever you might have a discomfort, you can actually put this, knees, wherever, anywhere in the body, because it's small. However, we have one that is even smaller, and this is the Kinko Minis. There's 12 of them in this package. They come with Band-Aids, and they are reusable. So, wherever you might have a little discomfort, you can stick it on and leave it and let it do its thing. It's amazing how much energy these little bitty magnets can provide. I've been amazed so many times, and I wouldn't want to be without them. But what I often use is the Nikken duct tape. And this is actually a dynamic underlayer Kinesio tape with the Kinko technology is woven right into the tape. So it comes in a roll. So you have plenty. I keep it in my purse all the time with a small pair of scissors, because I run into people all the time that are complaining about their necks or their knees or their shoulder. And I just say, do you want to try this? Because oftentimes in a matter of minutes, people start to feel better just with the tape alone. I know it for myself. I just cut it and I place it on my neck. And in about 5 minutes, it's like, wow, that feels better. I actually call it the magic tape. In addition, you can put the magnetics underneath it on any of these areas. And there are guidelines on the back. So if you Google how to tape a knee or a shoulder and you need to cut strips, you can do that also. Just remember, when you're using this tape, don't stretch it. If you stretch it at all, it's only in the center, never on the ends. And you'll find out why if you do that one day. So don't do it. There's really no need to stretch this tape when you're putting it on, because just by putting it on that area, it's giving that area extra support. It's also kind of lifting it so it can kind of relax and breathe, so it starts to feel better. This is the Nikken, we call it duct tape. Isn't that a great name? You need duct tape. Let's just tape you back together. So let's see, what else do we have? We also have the Kinko Seat. So you can put this in your office chair, on the couch, use it in your car. I have 2 in my car. I've even taken it to the movie theater. You can put it, take it with you on the airplane. It has straps. So you can just throw it over your shoulder and carry it with you. It's very lightweight, but it has the same technology that's in our Kinko Fit mattress topper. So it has that rubber thing spread throughout it. Also has the magnetics and the tourmaline. So you're getting all these vital energies wherever you are, and it makes sitting much more comfortable, especially on an airplane, which can be very uncomfortable. Let's see, continuing on in the energy aspect, we have the Kinko Touch. So this is actually a pulsed energy field. It has all three vital energies once again, and you can see and hear the pulsing. So wherever you have a discomfort, it's on a 10-minute cycle. So you can just hold it on this area. Actually, this area this morning, we'll be very happy to have this because it just helps to relax and repair that energy that might be causing you discomfort. So you can use it anywhere on your body, you know, put it by your low back, by your knee. You can put it on the floor, but next to your feet if your feet are causing you discomfort. And you just recharge it with a USB. So there's no electricity needed because it's battery operated, but you can see and hear this pulsed magnetic energy, but it's all three energies, energy of the sun, and also that energy of the forest once again. Let's see, what else do I have in this pack? Oh, the knee wraps. You get both sizes of the knee wraps. So the medium and also the large, which the large is really more of a medium size. So keep that in mind, but you get both of them because you never know where you might need the smaller size for some people. And so you just slip that on your knee, not your elbow. And then once again, you can add the magnets over the areas of discomfort that you have. You might put one on each side actually, or you can also use the little guys. You have to tape them on. But that way you're once again combining all three technologies in that area. Kinko Therm is so soothing and relaxing for the body. It does give light support in that area also. And you can wear it all the time, or you can wear it as needed. Sometimes a lot of these products you're going to use as preventative. So if you're going to be out playing golf or tennis, you might want to just slip this in your pants and just keep things relaxed so they don't tense up. Or even if you're doing garden work, put this on because you're doing a lot of movements you don't normally do. So you want to prevent things before they happen. Oh, and then we have the power bands. This is actually the power band necklace. So these are once again the magnetics, and you can move them around. So if you want this up higher, you can move it on the power band. And, you know, once again, if you're using your computer a lot or anything that's kind of straining your neck, driving, working on your devices, all of those things. We also have the bracelets. You get two of these. You get the larger size and you get the regular, which fits my wrist just fine. But the large size, some people like it a little larger. That way it goes down further on their hand or farther up on their arm. And it actually attaches with the stainless steel clasp. So some men, I know, don't want to be seen wearing jewelry. Well, this is functional jewelry. So it's actually helping your body feel better. But see, you can actually snap the bracelet and the necklace together and put it on. And for men, you can have it go down further under your shirt and no one will even know it's there. You can actually get a little loop and attach it to a power band. So it can hang down if you are having extra areas that might need a little more boost, or say in the back of your neck, you could attach it so it's just sitting back there to give you that extra energy and relaxation. I'll just leave it on. Let's see, what else do we have? We also have the Kinko Ground. This is a grounding mat because we are around electronics a lot more these days. And sometimes we need to defrazzle ourselves or our pets, you know, because my cats, they never go outside. So I'll find them actually have their paws on this. They know intuitively what's good for them. but your skin does need to be against this. So I have a friend, she actually puts it on her desk, and then she has her laptop on it, and that way her arms are right on the grounding pad. So it actually attaches with a very long cord, and at the end of this cord is the grounding wire. So you plug this into your outlet, you know, the little round part underneath electricity. So it's not electric, it's the grounding wire. So you do need a house that's grounded or an apartment that's grounded. And I have another friend, he puts this on his pillow. So he sleeps right with his head on it all night long, or you can put it down by your feet. Just has to be on, you know, touching skin, because it needs to be right against the skin. So the grounding pad is amazing. I also want to point out, for those of you that have cats and dogs, they will love this. They will automatically go to it and sit on it, and you guys might have to decide who gets to use it at what time, right? So this is what is in, oh, one more thing. This is the magduo. This is one of the products I had my first experience with. And it once again has all three energies in these magnetic massage tool. And this is what you actually roll on your body, wherever you have tightness, discomfort, achiness, stiffness, or maybe you're going to go for a jog. So you can use it on your legs to help loosen them up. So they'll be more flexible. But you need to look at your watch, because oftentimes you don't use it long enough. I myself had this for 2 weeks before I used it long enough. And then I was finally told, you need to use it, Linda, like 20 minutes to help with all the discomfort you have in this area. And I finally did. And it worked. And I'm like, oh my gosh, what is this? And what else do you have? So this is called the magduo. It's a friend maker. A lot of friends have tight, stiff, achy muscles or low backs, and you can just roll it wherever. Once again, also use this on your pets. Just let them smell it first so they know what it is. And the friend maker is the magduo. So this is the energy pack from Nikken. And whenever Nikken puts them into a package, you get extra bonuses, extra savings. And to have this energy pack at home, your first aid kit or your show and tell kit, is pretty amazing. And you will be happy that you got it, because you're going to want everything anyway. Get it together, only from Nikken.